My name is Dr.S.THULASEE Krishna, the professor, Department of Computer Science Engineering from Sri Rama Engineering College, Tirupati. Today I will discuss the array concept in C language. Array in C. Here you can see the some headings. Definition of array, advantages of array, types of arrays. First one, definition of array. Array is defined as collection of similar type of data items at contiguous memory locations. Array use square brackets. We define another way. Array in C, array in C, fixed size collection of similar data items stored in contiguous memory location. Or another manner, say array defined in C. Array is a variable which can store multiple array is a variable which can store a multiple values. Next, side heading advantages of array. First one, code optimization. Second one, easy traversing. Third one, easy sorting. Fourth one, random access. Here you can see the first one. Discuss first one is a code optimization. The optimization means we have the compress data is a easy understanding purpose. Code optimization means is a less code and access data easily. Next, second one, easy traversing. We can retrieve elements. We can retrieve elements of an array easily. Third one, easy sorting. To sort elements of an array easily. Fourth one, random access. We can access any elements randomly using array. So totally we have the 4 advantages of array. Is a first one, code optimization. The second one, easy traversing. Third one, easy sorting. Fourth one, random access. Next, types of array. There are 3 types of array. of array. One dimensional array, two dimensional array, multi-dimensional array. One dimensional array, one dimensional array also known as linear array. Sometimes one dimensional also known as single dimensional or 1D array. One dimensional array contain collection of similar data items. Syntax of one dimensional array. Syntax of one dimensional array. Data type space array name size semicolon. Example: int array name is a, size 3 semicolon. Here use different data types like int, float, char. One more example: int b 4, float f 5 size semicolon. Character char c is 6 like. Next, initialization of one dimensional array. Here also we have the syntax. Data type space array name size equal value 1, value 2, value n, semicolon. Example, int data type array name is a, size 3 equal flower bracket 5, 6, 8 close flower bracket semicolon. Here note array start location from 0th position. You see the memory location. Zero, 1, 2. Three, 6, 8, for example. This is array indices. First index 0, last index 2, array length 3, totally 0, 1, 2, totally we have the 3, the length of a array 3. The array start index from 0th location. Next, example example 1, include stdio.h. This is a preprocessor. Here you can see the standard input output header file. Int main, int is a return type, is a main function, open brace. Int I He said declare the I int marks 5 size semicolon mark 0th location assign 85 mark first location assign 95 marks assign 65 marks third 75 marks fourth location say 96. Totally here you can see the is a 0 to 4. Totally we have the 5 locations. Now for loop I equal to 1 semicolon I less than 5 semicolon I plus plus r. Is a for loop. Here we have the 3 operations performed: initialization, condition, incrementer. Open brace, printf percentage d slash n comma marks I close semicolon. Now is a close the brace, return 0 is a close brace. Now we will get the output of this program. Say 85, 95, 65, 75, 96. We will get the output like that. We see the another example 2. Hash include stdio.h int main open brace int I is a variable declaration int say marks is a 6 size 6. Here 6 equal say 86, 76, 97, 88, 92, 78. Now use for loop I equal to 1 semicolon I less than 6 I plus plus. We have 3 operations performed for loop in for loop: initialization, condition, increment. Open brace, printf percentage d slash n comma marks I close semicolon. It's a close the brace, return 0 semicolon close the brace. Now the output of this program say 86, 76, 97, 88, 92, 78. This is we have the another model. This is another example.
30 minutes and
Next, two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array define collection of similar data items as grid as a grid structure rows and columns. Two-dimensional array, also known as matrix array. A table of rows and columns. Two-dimensional array represent using two square brackets. Sometimes two-dimensional array called 2D array. Syntax of two-dimensional array. Data type space array name rows columns semicolon. Example, int array name a 2 3. Here you can see the is a 2 is a row, is a 3 is a column. So that means a 2 by 3 is a dimension. The size of this one is a totally is a 6 elements. Initialization of two-dimensional array data type syntax data type space array name rows columns equal flower bracket, value 1, value 2, value n, close the flower bracket, semicolon. This is a initialization of a two-dimensional array syntax. Example, in array name A, here you can see the two-dimension row, column 3 equal, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flower bracket. Here you can see the memory location. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6 is a row 0, row 1, column 0 position, column 1, column 2. This is a 2 rows, is a 3 columns. Is a two-dimensional array, is a tabular format. Next, access elements of two-dimensional array. Here one program, example program, hash include stdio.h in main open brace in a of 2 by 3 equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flower bracket is a close. A of 1, 0. printf percentage d quotation comma. Here you can see the printf is a parenthesis is open, percentage d within quotation comma a of 1, 0. This is a locations. Now we can see the output. Here already we have the memory location is available. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a row 0, row 1. It's a column 0, column 1, column 2. Here you can see the is a position. Here you can see the 1, 0. Here you can see the 1, 0. Here we have the this is a result. The output is 4. Here output is 4. Here you can see the like that is represented 0 position 1, row 0, column 0. It's a row 0, column 1. It's a row 0, column 2. Here you can see the row 1, column 0. Here row 1, column 1. It's a row 1, column 2. It's a like that. This is a position, it's a memory location. In this program we have the is a access a element of two-dimensional array. Here you can see the 1, 0 location is a row is a 1, is a column is a 0, that position the element will be there is a 4, so that's why the answer will be is a 4. Next, change the element of two-dimensional array. Change element two-dimensional array. For example, ash include stdio.h int main open brace int a of 2 by 3 aside 1 comma 2 comma 3 4 comma 5 comma 6, close the flower bracket. A of 1 0. Now the element change. Printf percentage d slash n a of 1 0. So close the brace. Now we can see the memory location. 1 2 3 4 5 6 is a row 0, column 0 1 2. Now we can see the here we have the is a row 1 1 0, position will be 4. Here you can see the element is a 4. So you have the is a here we have a change the element that is a 5. So that's why the output in this program is a 5. The previously we have the 4 value is there in particular location, that is a of 1 0. Now we have a changed that element as a 5. That is a change the element of two-dimensional array. Now one more example. I want to the all elements as a output. So that's why one more example, ash include stdio.h int main open brace int a of 2 3 equal 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, so close, here also close up. Int I comma j is a variable declaration. Now using for loop, I equal to 0, I less than 2, I plus plus. Here we have the 3 operations performed in for loop: initialization, condition, is a increment operators. Now open brace, print. Now you go for the another for loop, j equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus. Now say open brace, printf percentage d slash n comma a of I j, close semicolon, parenthesis close semicolon. Now is a close. We have the one more, is a return, 0, so close. Now, output of this program, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you can see the every execution will be start from the main, open brace. Here you can see the initialization, two-dimensional array initialization. Is a of 2, 3, is a 2 rows, is a 3 columns. Here you can see the declaration int I comma j semicolon. Here using a for loop, I equal to 0 semicolon, I less than 2 semicolon, I plus plus. Is a open brace. Is another for loop, j equal to 0 semicolon, j less than 3 semicolon, j plus plus, open brace, print is within quotation percentage d slash n, that is a new line, is a comma, a of ij, close the parenthesis, semicolon, close the braces. Here also we have the closing, is a return 0, is a close the, is a closing of a main function. Now we have the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you can see the starting. Here you can see the is a row is a I, is a column is a j, like that. Here you can see the I initially 0, 0 less than 2 is a condition is a true. So that's why you go for the another for loop. Here j equal to 0, 0 less than 3 condition is a true. So that's why here a of I. Here you can see the memory location like that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is row 0, is a row 1. Column 0, column 1, 2. Now we can see the is a 0, 0. Now we have the position. Is a 1 will be print. Next, here you can see 1 will be print. Again is a I plus plus. 0 plus 1 is a 1. Here you can see the 1 less than 2 is a condition is a true. So that's why you go for the another loop. Here also is a 0. 0 plus 1 increment operator 1. 1 less than 3 condition is a true. So that's why it comes to the here printf. So that's why 0, 1 position. Here element will be 2. 2 will be print. Is like that. Here the loop will be is executed. After is exit. So finally you will get the is output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. This is a two-dimensional array. The last one is a multi-dimensional array. It's a multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array defined as array of arrays stored a multi-dimensional array defined as an array of arrays is a stored homogeneous data in tabular form. Tabular form. Syntax of multi-dimensional array. Syntax of multi-dimensional array. Data type space array name here size 1, size 2, size n, semicolon. Example This is a syntax. Example, int a of 2 by 3, 4, semicolon. Here you can see the a of 2, this is a location, is a location. Here you can see the 3 is a 4, we have the dimensions. The size of this one is a totally, the size of in this 2 into 3 into 4, totally is 24 elements. Initialization of multi-dimensional array. Here you see the syntax. Data type space array name, so size 1, size 2, size n equal value 1, value 2, value n. Close the semicolon. Now example, int a of 2, say 3, 4 equal 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, so like that. Here you can see the initialization of a multi-dimensional array. Data type space array name, size 1, size 2, size n equal value 1, value 2, value n is a close parenthesis, close the bracket, semicolon. Now you can see that this is an example, int space a of 2, 3, 4. A of 2 is a location. This is, here you can see the is a 3 by 4 is a elements. So that is a totally, here we have the 24 elements. Now we can see example program as include stdio.h in main open brace say in m2 3 4 equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, here in I, j declare for, I, j, k, three variables for I equal to 0, I less than 2, semicolon, I plus plus. Open brace for j equal to 0, semicolon, j less than 3, j plus plus. Open brace for k equal to 0, k less than 4, k plus plus. Open brace, printf percentage d slash n a of I j k, close semicolon. Now we have the braces written 0, close. Now we will get this output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now we will get this output is a total is a it will display the these values. This is a multi-dimension array. This is a array concept in C. One dimensional array, two dimensional array, multi-dimensional array. Thank you.